featuring LU Praise. To reserve your tickets or to receive more information, call or go online today. When the questions count.
There's been a big question here on the border, who actually controls it.
America's new place for investigative journalism. Full Measure with Cheryl Atkinson, this Sunday. You're watching ABC 7 News at noon. On your side.
Well, as millions are getting away from the storm, check out this video of hurricane hunters heading right into the eye of Matthew. NOAA pilots hit serious turbulence as they move through the storm, yet notice how calm the pilot seems. They were 45,000 feet in the air, dropping instrument packages which measure the pressure of that storm. Wow. Well, the travel troubles the storm has caused may soon ease up. Flights are expected to resume in and out of South Florida sometime later on today. Meanwhile, this morning, teams with the Red Cross departed Dulles International Airport. They are heading to Florida to help with relief efforts there. And that is where we find our Sam Sweeney.
Good afternoon. More than 4,000 flights have already been canceled because of Hurricane Matthew, and it's only expected to get worse. All commercial operations at Orlando International Airport are canceled today, and hundreds more flights at Jacksonville and as far north as Charleston are also canceled. And this morning, flights partially resumed at a number of South Florida airports, including Miami and Fort Lauderdale. By 4 o'clock this afternoon, Miami will be ready for a full schedule. That's the airport. However, the airlines say it could be days before they can get back up to normal. They have to get their staff and their crews in place, and they also have to reposition their aircraft back to South Florida. Today we caught up with an aid worker who is headed to that area from the Red Cross. She says she's hoping to get into West Palm Beach.
The storm is so massive. There's a great need for responders, for volunteers, for people to be in place because, like I said, we're looking at a catastrophic storm impacting a large group of residents. And so in order for us to be able to help them in the recovery, it takes a large group of volunteers and workers on the ground in place and ready to help those that are affected.
The ripple effects from all of these cancellations can be felt from Los Angeles to New York, so if you are flying this weekend, you certainly want to check in with your carrier before you head to the airport. Reporting at Dulles International, I'm Sam Sweeney. Back to you in the studio.
Well, being a television reporter like Sam, usually not a dangerous job, but it's often another story when it comes to covering a hurricane. Check out the elements that Giselle Sanders of the CBS affiliate in Orlando had to deal with when she was live in Daytona Beach earlier today.
I don't know what to tell you guys. You can see what's happening right now. I'm holding myself up against the wall as the water and wind comes in from the ocean. We've lost, I can't see you because of this bright light.
She's got some strong feet holding her in place there, Doug, because I'm surprised she isn't kind of blowing into that parking lot because those winds,
wow. The good news for her is, if you remember back, Dan Rather started his career early in his career. He made a name for himself covering a hurricane in Texas, I think in Galveston Island.
Okay.
He was holding like a palm tree and was almost being blown away. So, you know.
Stay strong.
As we say in the business, that's a great one for the resume reel.
Yes,
so,
it is.
All right, let's get started up to everything is happening and then what is expected to happen. Our tropical satellite animation here, the bright red color in the middle shows the center of circulation, which is now northeast of Daytona Beach. It's moving to the northwest at about 12 miles per hour, northwest. So this is the core of everything, the strongest winds. And as I explained earlier, is the winds around the center no longer 130, they're 120, but the area of strong winds has expanded over the past 12 to 18 hours. So hurricane force gusts are commonplace up and down the coast right now. And as it continues to go in this general direction, what's going to happen is the water is going to continue to pile up and push up the rivers, the St. Mary's River, St. John's River near Jacksonville, and to continue to push in all the inland waterways. So it's still looking like South Carolina, parts of Georgia will have the worst problems with flooding issues as well. Category 3 as of the last check, still Category 3, 11:15 tonight when it's adjacent the Georgia coast just south of Savannah, weaken a little bit more. And one of the reasons for weakening is the continued interaction of the circulation with the coastline and the land slowly weakens it. And the computer models continue this general idea from the Hurricane Center of taking it, weakening it steadily, eventually into a tropical depression by Tuesday morning with 40-mile-per-hour winds and then a bit weaker headed back towards the Bahamas. Now, as far as what we're looking at model-wise, these spaghetti plots, they're kind of very consistent, all the models together for the first 36, 42, 48 hours, and then they diverge. Some go straight out in the Atlantic, other ones start to curve sooner, other ones curve later. The best news for us, no immediate impacts or effects for us. Just had a 73-mile-per-hour wind gust at Vero Beach. Daytona Beach, a 71-mile-per-hour gust. Melbourne, not far to the south, 70-mile-per-hour gust. And in Fort Pierce, 68-mile-per-hour gust, and along, obviously, with a lot of heavy rain. Our satellite and radar, to give you a bigger perspective, some of the clouds pushing north. What we're experiencing is some rain developing over eastern North Carolina. We'll get some rain in here late tonight and tomorrow, not from the core of this at all, but rather from high pressure in the Atlantic, low pressure here, the winds combining to bring moisture in at the same time a cold front approaches. So we're kind of locked in here. So tomorrow we'll have